Sleep is important. The value of the sleep is something that you realize when you're losing it. First you lose your focus and then your good spirit, but also it will go to severe health issues at the end. But the upside here is that we can also affect positively your health by improving your sleep. So we started making studies to find a solution for it. I'm proud to introduce QuietOn Sleep. This device is one of a kind. There's no other active noise-cancelling earplugs what you could use for sleeping. There are other devices for the sleeping purposes like foam earplugs. The problem with that is that they can't really cut the snoring sound. There are some devices which are creating more noise, meaning this kind of masking noise that you can hide the snoring, but then you need to listen to the noise what that device creates. So we are making silence. The first product was already a massive hit. It went all around the world and got really positive feedback from different segments, especially from the frequent travelers, but also the people who are working in the noisy environments. But still, we found some room for the improvements, especially for the sleeping. Our new device is small, it is soft, it is optimized for the snoring sounds. It also has two modes, there's hearing mode and sleeping mode. The great feature of this device, even though we went really small, that there's still enough battery life. So there's 20 hours in a single charge. I'm privileged to work with this kind of device, which have a major impact on people's lives. Sales have been now started in Indiegogo. Go there and order your own. Thank you for supporting us.